Service reminders continue the digital conversation with the motorist. Using the same recommendations as given at pickup and in the thank you email,
Oh, let's see what Frank has to say.
it not only reinforces the urgency of the work, but it continues the trust created by the transparency, even when the vehicle is not at the shop. It's important to make the information available on the footprint of a mobile phone. Scrolling through the reminder makes it easy to detect the vehicle's service is due and the recommendations for the next visit. The inspection results will remind not only of declined jobs, but more importantly of the transparency that your shop has treated the motorist with, and it will increase their trust and in the importance of the work. Additional information about reviews by other drivers driving the same vehicle solidifies that trust even more. Scheduling an appointment happens with a few taps on the smartphone and makes it real easy for the motorist. An appointment reminder will be emailed and texted to make it count. The 7 Touchpoints circle is closed, and if you follow the best practices outlined in this video edition, you will experience double-digit increases for ARO, customer satisfaction, and retention rate. The digital shop allows you to make every car count more instead of chasing more car count at all costs. Do you want to know how to implement this in your shop? Register for the Digital Shop webinar using the Digital Shop app on your smartphone and talk to industry experts who've implemented the Digital Shop already, and in the Digital Shop Talk forum on Facebook.